get one. You need to get one. And then flip the page. Go. Continue. Good job. Get another one. Continue. Only one. Only one. And then flip the page. Good job. Get one again. Get one again.
Oo.
And
Ano pa
then
na siya?
flip the
3.
page.
Ano pa na?
Very good. Next one. Next Iliana. Good job. Next one. Continue.
26 minutes.
No, write your name here on trace first. Next, L. Go. Follow this one, the corner one. L. I. Your I first, the I first. I. And A. Okay, continue. How about the M? Another one. No, do it again, okay? Teacher will help you. And okay, how about this one? 11. Trace the colored ones in here. Next. Straight line. Right to tape. Okay, how about this one? Very good. Next. Good job. Next one. Next. It's okay, continue. Okay, good job. Okay, teacher will put the time, okay? I will write the time for now, and then if you know how to write your count again. 1. Very good. Good job. Get one, turn the next page. Okay, very good. How about here? Okay, underline first. Underline the instruction. Count the picture, count the dots while pointing to each one. Go, pointing finger. Where's your pointing finger? 1. Very good. Next one. Here. Okay. Count the pictures. Underline the instruction first. Count the pictures. Count the pictures aloud, 1 and 2, while pointing to each one. Okay, point 1. Pointing fingers 1. Good job, Julia. Next one. Get one. Get one. Turn to next page, and then here. Arrange your worksheet like this, and then underline the instruction first. Count the pictures. Count the pictures, or count the dots while pointing to each one. Go. Point. Count the pictures aloud. 1, 2, and 3 while pointing to each one. Okay, count. 1. Very good. Good job, William. Okay, turn to next page. Okay, get one. Then here, let's count the dots. Count the dots while pointing to each one. Count the dots while pointing to each one. Okay, count. 24, 3. Good job. How many dots? 3. Very good here. Okay, next. Julia. Okay, count the pictures. Here, underline the instructions first. Underline here. Count the pictures aloud. Count the pictures aloud. Right. Okay. Point it. Okay, count. Point it. Very good. Next one. Iliam, done. The help teacher. Done. Done. Okay, next. Okay. Done. Okay, next. Okay, you do also do next page to check your work if you done, if you answered. Okay, only one, William. Next. All done? Good job. William, read the page. Reflect it. Separate. Good job. Next. Next, William. Okay, next one. That one, William. Continue, Ilya. Continue reading the page. Teacher will just check your work. Go. Continue. That one, Ilian. Trace. Trace your name. Hold your pencil properly, not like that. Like that. Okay, from top to bottom. From top. Okay, about the other.